parang one by one.
Picture sa mi. Lab, wala. Lab, pa-picture sa tabi. Uy. Asta ka dugay.
Anak ini.
Ano video ba? Alam mo din. Asa na mo ba?
Guys, this road, African lion. We'll see African lion, and I'm going to bird show this way. But before that, atong tanaw din. Beer na siya.
Lion.
Lion.
African lion nga.
African lion. I see. Natulog. Oo.
Natupagid.
Natulog.
Rar.
Not underestimate that because it can run up to 40 miles per hour, equivalent to 80 kilometers per hour, ma'am and sir. So it is distinguished between others because it has a distinctive color patches.
Deer man na, mga deer.
Do you see that? That is
Laksaw.
another impala. So
Impala.
despite of their slim
Impala.
legs, they can run up to 90 kilometers per hour. So only males have horns, while female impala does not have. Okay?
African turtle. Oh, nangitlog na siya, oh. Nagutong-utong.
Sa tingin mo magandang video niyan. May jebs.
Hindi, mangitlog nga naman sila mangitlog. O,
Oh,
diri ka.
Nangitlog.
May itlog.
Nangitlog sila.
Tabunan daw yun.
O, diri ka. Kamu duha dali.
African turtle.
Itlog no.
O, sige ikaw. Sige diri. Ay, tabon. Ay, sa pa.
Itlog ko na.
Nangitlog na siya.
Dali na.
Zebra.
Okay, say hi to waterback. Hi, that is waterback. So they have a close connection to the water. They use water as their defense mechanism against their predators. So they become water repellent once they emit an oily secretion with a bad odor from their sweet glands, ma'am and sir. So the older they get is that the stinkier they become. So the one you see there with a short horn, that is what we call eland. So eland resembles a cow. It has a white lines on its back. So one of the largest antelope globally that can run up to 40 kilometers per hour and can jump up to 10 feet from a standing start point. And you see that one long
Dako. Naghana din ina dre.
Dagan
Unom
sila
niya
dere.
duha dito walo. Mura mo. Iguang nga natin.
Ang kuan na ang balibo na uban kuhaon man na sila kay himuon nga mga kuan. Himuong mga clothes. Ang anak na ni. Anak na ni siya.
Sa breeding na pa no.
Oh. Anak na ni siya.
Tingin mo pa ako lagi ha. Gumaya na lala eh.
Oh, dagan. Panto ko sa uban. Mga tulog. Nag-relax. Nag-relax.
Ano na may puti ay.
Oo. Oh. Nagsulo siya kay kuan ang iyang baby or man.
Otter eh.
Oo.
Otter. Otter.
Yung tago.
Otter.
Money mong gikuan bino, money beaver. No.